Hi, good morning. Yes, good morning to everybody. I have a beautiful color, adult color picture I wanted to show to y'all. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So, subscribe to the channel, like, and ring that bell so you'll be notified for when I am doing videos. Okay. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? Wow, look how pretty that is. And if you'll notice, I stayed in my lines the whole time. You see, I stayed right in my lines. See, I didn't get out of my lines one time. I stayed right in my lines. And look how well I stayed in my lines when I did these leaves. See how I did when I did the leaves? I stayed right in my lines. And this is adult coloring. Adult coloring. Isn't it beautiful? It's so pretty, isn't it? That is very beautiful. I did a nice job on that one. I really did. And see how the petals or whatever. And this, by the way, is a plant, so it's not a flower. It's a plant. It came from this book right here. I got this book from Amazon.com. Isn't it beautiful? Oh, also be sure to read in the description below, too. Is that pretty? That's beautiful. Okay. Oh, yeah. You see how the stay in the lines there, and then the stay in the lines on these petals, like in kind of thing. But yeah, that stay right in my line. So I'm gonna be doing some more flower type adult coloring for you guys. I know you guys love my artwork, you love my paintings, and I know you guys like to watch me paint and everything. So I'm gonna be doing more and more. So I'm gonna be doing more paintings and more adult coloring for you guys. I know you guys just love my artwork. So it brings so much joy to my heart when you guys love my artwork. And oh, matter of fact, on afternoon coffee time that I'll be doing, I'm working on another hummingbird picture. I think I'm working on hummingbird. Maybe it's something else I'm working on. I think it may be a flower. It may be a flower I'll be working on. But anyway, I'll be doing afternoon coffee time today, and I think I'll be doing a flower for you guys instead of hummingbird. But anyway, thanks for watching, and you'll have a wonderful day. And thanks for watching. Bye.